Careful, please. Don't fall anywhere. Okay, bring one durian. Hi guys, we are again continuing our journey on coffee expedition. And right now, we are in a place called Ngemplak. Wait, let me say it the Indonesian way. Ngemplak. Okay, this is like an hour away from the city of Solo. And it's fantastic. As you can see, it's famous for coffee plantations and farmers who are milking cows. All right, and I mean for dairy as well. So continuing what I said in my previous video is people in Indonesia like to collaborate. So we have come to another farm and we're going to meet the farmer here who grows Robusta beans. Let us show you some coffee. Hi guys.
Hi.
Please come.
So can you two introduce yourselves, please? So let's start with you. Your name?
Okay. My name is Budi.
Budi. And you are the farmer here?
Yes.
Fantastic.
My name is Robert.
Robert.
I'm brewer and processor.
Oh, wow. So, as I was telling you guys, Indonesia, the culture is all about collaboration. So, farmer and processor sitting side by side, having a nice cup of coffee and making money. So, saying that, we'll see you again. Remember, be different because you deserve to be the best.